You used to hold my hand like you were scared to lose it, like letting go would make the whole world fall apart. Now every memory feels distant and confusing, like someone slowly rearranged my heart. I keep replaying conversations in my head, looking for the moment everything went wrong.